Hi everybody, it is me, Denise, and Ollie the Crow. It is great to see you. I just wanted to pop on real quick and go over a couple of things. I wanted to first thank you guys for the posts that you have been sending this week. Seems like you guys are enjoying the summer camp. I know Ollie and me sure are, so it's great that you are as well. I also wanted to apologize for the trouble we've been having with the Facebook Live. I know it hasn't been starting on time at 1 o'clock, and I apologize for that. We're trying to figure it out and get it all tweaked. We think we figured out what is wrong. There seems to be some sort of a delay. You have to sign in like 10 minutes before you actually want to go live. So hopefully that will work the next time we do it. But thank you guys for hanging in there and watching us, because I love doing that storybook time. It is so much fun, so much fun. And saying that, I wanted to tell you guys we will not be here next Wednesday. Nope, Ollie and I are going on vacation. Yep. Aren't we, Ollie? Yes, we're going to be on vacation next week, so we will not be here on Wednesday. But I thought, what a great idea for you guys to send me either pictures if you've already been on vacation, or maybe vacations that you've been on, like your favorite vacation you ever were on, or just text to me the places that you guys might be going on vacation this year. Even if you're staying home or doing things around where you live, I would love to see them. I know Ollie would too. So, and when we get back from vacation, I'll make sure that I share some of my photos as well. So remember, there will not be a Facebook Live on Wednesday, okay? Not next Wednesday. Okay, we have got to pick our winner. So Ollie's gonna do that to get our prize. Let's see who wins the prize this week. It is Rachel Mulgard. And you've got a little girl, Els. Rachel Mulgard. Congratulations. You guys won a sprinkler that we most definitely can use here in Virginia because it has been like 90 degrees the past few days. But you are going to win that super cute turtle sprinkler. That's something fun you can do in the summer, isn't it, Ollie? Well, congratulations, and you guys have an awesome week. Keep enjoying the summer camp, and I will see you guys soon, okay? Bye-bye.